welcome to Future Doctor Academy. So here we are going to study about first chapter of physics, electric charge and field, and its lecture first. So what do you mean by electric charge? So electric charge is a property of constituent particles, means atoms, okay, to attract or repel another particle. Okay, as you know that each and every particle in the universe exert a gravitational force to another particles, which is equal to G is equal F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. So here G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square, Newton kg square meter square. So similarly, each and every atom has some charge. So as you know, what is charge? Charge is a property of constituent particles like atom to attract or repel another particle. Charge is of two types, positive and negative. So positive charge repels, negative charge repels, but positive charge attracts. As you have seen here, that gravitational force exerted by any particle is equal to F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. Similarly, electrostatic force exerted by particles is equal to F is equal to K q1 q2 upon r square. दोनों में सिमिलर बात क्या है कि both follow inverse square law. Let's see which force is greater. So here you can see in gravitational force and electrostatic force. Here gravitational force F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, and here F is equal to K q1 q2 upon r square. Okay, here G is equal to value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, and here the value of K is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 in free space. Mainly K is electrostatic constant, and K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. Okay, don't write epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is permittivity of free space like air or vacuum, but epsilon is permittivity of medium. Permittivity of medium means ये कोई मीडियम है, ठीक, एग्जाम्पल ले लेते एयर, तो इसमें कोई पार्टिकल है, तो परमिटिविटी मीन्स परमिट करना, तो इसका मतलब रहता है परमिटिविटी ऑफ मीडियम. सो जो मीडियम के जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो अपने आप को परमिट कर रहे हैं कि जो नेक्स्ट जो अलग पार्टिकल है वो उसके अंदर नहीं आ सकता. दैट इज़ नोन एज परमिटिविटी ऑफ फ्री स्पेस. ओके, सो if we see the comparison between both of them, so here electrostatic force is greater. Let's see how. In gravitational force, F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into. Now if we take the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 square upon r रेडियस का स्क्वायर. तो रेडियस की वैल्यू आप ले लिए 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 मीटर जो कि रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ होती है. ओके, सो ओके, leave it, take it unit radius. Okay, here we will take unit radius. So if you will see that here the value is in negative, and if we check it here for electrostatic force, F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. So K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. So here the value of constant is in positive and here the value of constant is in negative. So obviously you can see that this value is greater. So the electrostatic force is greater than gravitational force. Let's see what is the unit of charge. Unit of charge is coulomb, denoted by capital C, and the smallest possible charge is the charge of electron. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन की चार्ज की वैल्यू होती है वो स्मॉलेस्ट पॉसिबल चार्ज है, विच इज़ 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 कूलम. मीन्स इससे छोटा चार्ज हो ही नहीं सकता. मीन्स पॉसिबल हैं पर जो ओपन इन्वायरमेंट में पॉसिबल नहीं है. मीन्स दे आर डिपेंडेंट, बट इट इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट, फ्री and possible charge, which is charge of electron. Now let's see property of charge. First property is charge is quantized. Means देखो एक क्लासरूम होता है, उसमें भाई 30 बच्चे हो गए, 40 बच्चे हो गए. अब ऐसे तो नहीं बोलते कि 40.5 फिर 41.5, ऐसे नहीं होते ना. तो चार्ज भी इंडिविजुअल के रूप में है. ठीक, तो दैट कैन नॉट बी हाफ और पॉइंट, ऐसा नहीं होते. तो चार्ज इज क्वांटाइज्ड मीन्स charge on any object is always be an integral multiple of the charge on electron. Means electron, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then second property is charge is conserved, means charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only transferred, मीन्स चार्ज को ना हम बना सकते हैं ना मिटा सकते हैं, सिर्फ उसको ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी हाउ कैन वी ट्रांसफर चार्ज. चार्ज कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड बाय 3 types. First, frictional, which is the most easiest way. So here you took any object and you took any second object. If you rub it together, then friction is produced. Means if you will see here, if you will rub your hand, so here by rubbing friction is produced and your hand get heated, and some electrons, means some atoms from your hand is transferred to another hand and the another hand get charged. Means it is just example. If you will rub a scale by on your hair and you will touch at the paper get attracted. Similarly, when you will rub any object with any other object, so both of them get charged. One will get positive charge and other will get negative charge. So how you can say that a body get positive or negative? So as you have read that charge cannot be created nor be destroyed, means if we take two body, they have some charge, so if we rub, so the electrons from the outer shell due to the heat energy will be loosed and flow out. So if we consider this is object A and object B, so if the electrons from the object B moved to object A, so here will be lack of electron, means lack of negative charge, means it will be positive, and it will have excess electrons, so it will become negative charge. So here we see that charge is conserved. Now we will read about charging by conduction. Means direct contact, means touch करना, ठीक. ओके, so if we will take object and object A and object B, let us consider that object B is charged. So if we will touch object A and B, so let us consider that object B is positively charged. So if we touch object A with B, so it will have both positive and negative, so the positive charge will move toward this point and negative will be toward this point. So by that positive charge will means if we bring any charge toward any charged object, then the same charge will move away. Okay, then the positive charge will move away this direction, and the negative will move this direction. Then the both objective will be charged. Similarly, if we talk about charging through induction, so induction में we will not touch, मीन्स एक ऑब्जेक्ट लाते हैं एक सेकेंड चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट के पास, तो उसमें क्या होता है, इसके जो पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तो ये नेगेटिव को अट्रैक्ट करना चाहेगा और ये पॉजिटिव को उस तरफ भेजना चाहेगा. सो इफ़ वी विल अटैच एनी ऑब्जेक्ट हियर मीन्स अर्थिंग, सो जो इसके पॉजिटिव चार्ज रहेंगे जो मूव हो रहा है आउटवर्ड, they will go in earth and the body will become charged. So object A will become positive charge and B will become negatively charged, and by this we can say that it also shows earthing. Earthing means okay, before earthing we will see earth is a bank of charges, means it has huge amount of charge. अब जितना भी चार्ज दोगे इसको ये ले लेगा. और एक बात है कि जो अर्थ है वो न्यूट्रली चार्ज्ड है, मीन्स नाइदर इट इज़ पॉजिटिव और नॉट नेगेटिव, इट इज़ न्यूट्रली चार्ज. अब जितना चार्ज दोगे जितना चार्ज देगा उसको अपने अंदर डिसॉल्व कर लेगा. सो बाय दैट द बॉडी बिकम चार्ज्ड. ओके, देन वी विल